Did you know that the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul was the world's largest cathedral for nearly 1,000 years? Originally built in 537 AD by the Byzantine Emperor Justinian, it has served as a cathedral, a mosque, and now a museum. Its architecture blends Christian and Islamic elements, and one of its most famous features is the massive dome that seems to float, thanks to a brilliant system of windows at its base, letting in light from all directions. Another fascinating detail: the weeping column, a marble column, is said to be moist to the touch, and legend has it that if you place your thumb in the hole and it comes out damp, your ailments will be cured. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.